Hey everyone, welcome back to Idaho Expat Life in the Philippines. We are back 100% rolling. So I'm back now, and I've been back for, 4 or 5 days. Haven't done a whole lot, but what I'm thinking about doing is going back around the neighborhood where I've been. Oh, and by the way, thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you for your subscriptions. If you haven't subscribed yet, please give that a thought. It really helps me out. I need to try to grow this channel. And so what I plan doing, is going around and seeing what kind of updates, what kind of new things are going on here in my little neck of the woods. And I know they built a couple new businesses, opened up, and just to improve the life here in Silang, Cavite. So that's what I'm going to go do. That's my plan. And I'll add that to this video. Thanks for tuning in. Idaho Expat Life in the Philippines. We'll see you soon. Some things never change, it looks like. But we'll go see what's going on around here. There's our brand new Jollibee. We were short one Jollibee on this neighborhood. We have it now. So we are complete. The Jollibee restaurant. Philippines version of McDonald's. Yeah. It's the same kind of thing, fast food. My favorite little spot to stop and get coffee. They will make you a cup of coffee right here. Yay! Just regular. Yeah, 3 in 1. Yeah. 3 in 1. So they got a lot of different stuff I haven't tried before. I come here for the coffee and the view, watching the people go by. That's my neighborhood. There's Jollibee. Actually, I gotta kind of hurry probably because my little girl's coming home from school. But I wanted to take a quick zoom around the neighborhood and show you what's new and what's out here. Not a lot's changed. I mean, it seems to me like a lot has changed. I've only been gone 3 months, but progress. They're building, they're growing here in the Philippines. This place is always, there's something new almost every week, it seems like. So anyway, I gotta hurry wrap this up. I'll go down and there's a couple more I want to show you. So hold on. Okay, let's go check it out. Let's go for a little zoom around. Watch out for all the traffic, people. You know, it can be a zoo. Especially if you're 6 foot tall, you gotta watch out. Bang your head on all kinds of stuff in this town. Alright guys, let me show you. If the video is a little bouncy sometimes, that's because the road is bouncy, uneven. If I gotta watch my feet or I'm walking, sometimes I'll bump myself. But here's a new spot, the coffee spot. This is brand new since I was here last time. I've checked their prices and it's not bad. They've got videoke at night. Maybe we'll come down here tonight. That's new. Building. Good hangout for the kids, teenagers, 20-somethings. At night it gets a little more rowdy. I was down here before at night, but I didn't videotape. Uh-oh. Somebody lost their load. This one's new. This was all new put in here. So this is a little grocery. And yeah, just a grocery. In this little mall area. That's cool. I like to see improvements. So that's it for the daytime tour of just this little spot. I think I'll head over there in the food area and see what's going on. And Doc's Chicken. They're not going nowhere. They've been here as long as I've been here. And they're all over the Philippines chain, so I know we've seen that before. I don't see a whole lot new. This area is slow to develop this time. Sometimes they have brand new places real quick. Something, what we got here? Takoyaki. Okay. That's one of Asiana's favorites. But I'm not too, it's alright, but Japanese, you know. And another little place popped up, Sayomi. Yeah. And some kind of beef, like soups. Hot dogs. We got a new hot dog stand. These little places will come and go as fast as, you know. They make some money for a while, then they leave. 75 pesos for a hot dog?
Hot dog sandwich.
75 pesos?
Yeah, like
Oh, that's big.
Giant.
That looks good. Maybe I'll come. I got to come back with my wife and kids.
Yeah, sure.
Maybe later today. You guys here all night, right?
Yeah, until 10 we're open.
Okay. You're brand new?
Again?
Brand new?
Yes, brand new business.
Brand new, huh? Okay, we'll come and try it. Salamat.
Additional veggies, peanut, tomato, and cheese.
You can add to it, huh?
Yes, it looks like this.
Oh. Okay, we'll be back. Thank you. Looks pretty good. But see, last time I was here, that was a little barbecue joint. So that kind of goes to show you. Little businesses, if they can make it, they'll stay for a while. But it's hard to pay the rent and stay in business. But, 75 pesos now for a hot dog, see? They were like 10 pesos. And I was always saying, that's too little. You're not going to be able to make it with 10 pesos hot dog. So at least they're up to like $1.50 now, If you can't charge $1.50 for a hot dog, I don't think you're going to make it. So that's the neighborhood. The little changes that have happened. I'll see if Asiana and Myrna want to come out later tonight and do a night version of this. See what's going on at night to add to this video. But thanks for joining me, guys. And we'll see you on the next one. The last steps to my house. Always nice when you go somewhere. It's nice to get back home. even if it's just around the corner. I don't know if A's John made it back yet. Oh, good, I beat everybody. That way they don't know I'm gone. No, they don't worry about me. Oh, yeah. Back in the Garden of Eden. The Garden of Myrna. It's kind of messy. We got a problem here. So we got to hire somebody to take this stuff away. We had a backlog of twigs, leaves, branches, all kinds. Since I was gone, they got cleaned up into a pile, but not taken away. So we'll get it. Have a nice day. God bless. Take care. Next time.